Get ready to boost your portfolio, as NorthFlow Finance AI just uncovered 4 explosive TSX stock signals that are poised to skyrocket, and we're breaking them down for you right now. We're taking a closer look at Amex Exploration, a stock that's caught our attention with a very promising signal. The moving average golden cross with a volume surge is a powerful combination that suggests a potential upward trend. This signal has triggered at a price of $5.15. The moving average golden cross is a technical indicator that occurs when the short-term moving average crosses above the long-term moving average, indicating a shift in momentum. With a relative strength index of 55.4, the stock is in neutral territory, neither overbought nor oversold, which suggests that there's still room for growth. The current price of $5.15, combined with the golden cross, is a very encouraging sign. The volume surge of over 1,000% is also a strong indication of investor conviction, as it shows that investors are becoming increasingly interested in the stock. This surge in volume tells us that investors are starting to take notice of Amex Exploration and are buying in, which could lead to further price increases. This volume change is unusual and could signal that institutional investors are starting to take notice of the stock. A surge of this magnitude is not common and often precedes a significant price move. Amex Exploration has recently begun a major drilling program at its Perron West property in Ontario, which could lead to some exciting developments. This new program could potentially lead to significant discoveries and further increase investor interest in the stock. Viewers should watch for the stock to break above key resistance levels, and also keep an eye on the relative strength index to see if it starts to approach overbought territory. A continued increase in volume will also be important to confirm the uptrend. Now let's move on to our next pick. We're taking a closer look at SCZ.V, a stock that's caught our attention with a powerful MA golden cross signal, combined with a significant volume surge. This is a technical indicator that suggests a potential bullish trend, and we're excited to dive deeper into the details. As we analyze this stock, we notice the current price is sitting at $12.86. The MA golden cross signal is a strong indicator of a potential trend reversal, and when combined with a volume surge of 53.9%, it's a compelling story. The current price of $12.86 is supported by an RSI of 60.9, which is in neutral territory, suggesting there's still room for momentum to build. The RSI isn't overbought, which is a good sign, as it suggests the stock hasn't reached excessive levels. The volume surge is also a key indicator of investor conviction, as it shows that investors are starting to take notice of this stock. This surge in volume tells us that investors are becoming more confident in the stock's potential. This volume change is unusual activity, and it might signal that institutional investors are starting to take notice of SCZ.V. A volume surge of this magnitude can be a sign of increased interest from larger investors. Recent reports have been highlighting undiscovered Canadian gems with promising potential, and SCZ.V is certainly one stock that's been flying under the radar. This could be a stock that's about to gain more attention from investors, and we're keeping a close eye on it. Viewers should watch for continued momentum and a potential break above key resistance levels. A close above $13 could be a significant signal of further upside. Now let's move on to our next pick. We're taking a closer look at BlackRock Silver, trading on the TSX Venture Exchange under the symbol BRC.V. This stock has just triggered a very interesting signal, a moving average golden cross accompanied by a significant volume surge, which is definitely worth exploring. The golden cross signal is a bullish indicator, where the short-term moving average crosses above the long-term moving average, suggesting a potential upside in the stock's price. Currently, the price is sitting at $1.41. The relative strength index, or RSI, is at 64.2, which puts it in neutral territory, not quite overbought, but definitely showing some momentum. The volume surge of 42.7% is also a notable indicator of investor conviction, as it shows that traders are becoming more interested in this stock. This increase in volume, combined with the golden cross, could be a sign of a trend reversal. This volume change is quite unusual, and it might signal that institutional investors are starting to take notice of BlackRock Silver. A volume increase of this magnitude can be a sign of a significant shift in investor sentiment. Recent news about the progress at Tonopah West, including the permitting and drilling process, has likely contributed to the renewed interest in BlackRock Silver. This development has changed the investment landscape for the company, making it a more attractive opportunity for investors. Viewers should watch for a potential breakout above the current price level, and also keep an eye on the RSI to see if it enters overbought territory. A key level to watch will be the stock's ability to hold above $1.40. Now let's move on to our next pick. We're taking a closer look at Quantum Emotion, trading on the TSX Venture Exchange under the ticker QNC.V, which has just triggered a MACD bullish crossover with a significant volume surge. This is a powerful signal that indicates a potential shift in momentum. The stock is currently trading at $4.02. The MACD bullish crossover is a strong indication that the stock's trend is turning upwards, and with the current price at $4.02, we're seeing a lot of interest from investors. The RSI is sitting at 55.8, which is in neutral territory, suggesting that there's still room for the stock to run. The volume surge of nearly 400% is a significant indicator of investor conviction, and it tells us that there's a lot of enthusiasm behind this stock. This surge in volume is a clear sign that investors are taking notice of Quantum Emotion's potential. This unusual activity in volume is a strong signal that institutional investors may be taking notice of the company's recent moves. The significant increase in volume is not typical and may indicate that large investors are starting to build positions in the stock. Quantum Emotion's recent acquisition of 2 cybersecurity companies is a major development that could be driving this surge in interest. The company's move to become a full-stack cybersecurity provider is a significant expansion of its capabilities and could be a major driver of growth. Viewers should watch for the stock to continue its upward trend, and a break above $4.50 could be a key level to watch. A pullback to $3.50 would be a buying opportunity. That wraps up our final pick for today. Don't forget to subscribe for daily TSX signals. Thanks for watching NorthFlow Finance. Subscribe for more. And remember, this is not financial advice. Consult a professional before making investment decisions.